Formulas and functions. A formula is an expression which calculates the value of a cell. Functions are predefined formulas and are already available in Excel. For example, cell A3 below contains a formula which adds the value of cell A2 to the value of cell A1. For example, cell B3 below contains the sum function which calculates the sum of the range B1-B2. Enter a formula. To enter a formula, execute the following steps. Select a cell. To let Excel know that you want to enter a formula, type an equal sign. For example, type the formula C1 plus C2. Instead of typing C1 and C2, simply select cell C1 and cell C2. Change the value of cell C1 to 3. Excel automatically recalculates the value of cell C3. This is one of Excel's most powerful features. Edit a formula. When you select a cell, Excel shows the value or formula of the cell in the formula bar. To edit a formula, click in the formula bar and change the formula. This time change plus sign to minus. Press Enter. Examine the result. Operator precedence. Excel uses a default order in which calculations occur. If a part of the formula is in parentheses, that part will be calculated first. It then performs multiplication or division calculations. Once this is complete, Excel will add and subtract the remainder of your formula. Here is an example. First, Excel performs multiplication D1 times D2. Next, Excel adds the value of cell D3 to this result. Here is another example. First, Excel calculates the part in parentheses E2 plus E3. Next, it multiplies this result by the value of cell E1. Copy-paste a formula. When you copy a formula, Excel automatically adjusts the cell references for each new cell the formula is copied to. To understand this, execute the following steps. Enter the formula as shown into cell F4. Select cell F4, right-click, and then click Copy or press Ctrl+C. Next, select cell G4, right-click, and then click Paste under Paste Options, or press Ctrl+V. You can also drag the formula to cell G4. Select cell F4, click on the lower right corner of cell F4 and drag it across to cell G4. This is much easier and gives the exact same result. Check the result. The formula in cell G4 references the values in column G. Insert function. Every function has the same structure. For example, sum h1 h4. The name of this function is sum. The part between the brackets, named arguments, means we give Excel the range h1 h4 as input. This function adds the values in cells h1, h2, h3 and h4. It's not easy to remember which function and which arguments to use for each task. Fortunately, the insert function feature in Excel helps you with this. To insert a function, execute the following steps. Select a cell. Click the Insert Function button. The Insert Function dialog box appears. Search for a function or select a function from a category. For example, choose Countif from the statistical category. Click OK. The Function Arguments dialog box appears. Click in the Range box and select the range I1K2. Click in the criteria box and type bigger than 5. Click OK. The Countif function counts the number of cells that are greater than 5. Instead of using the insert function feature, simply type equal Countif I1 K2 greater than 5. When you arrive at range arguing, instead of typing, simply select the range I1 K2. Thanks for listening.